guys, today's unboxing some sunglass. I have Moto Patlu paste, Colgate paste. We have get today by Flipkart. Let's get it unboxing this all the packets. Before the start the video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and please share this video. Okay, let's start. Soon I get a gift item for Moto Patlu Colgate paste and two the sunglasses. I get this on some new website. Let's take the unboxing. For kids, this one, front and mint. So Moto Patlu paste. Before also this I like this video and unboxing. So one more I coming there, so this is a gift. Okay guys. For gifts, this is Moto Patlu Colgate paste. Okay. This is our sunglass. And this one also for kids. This one also for kids. So one more sunglass. Two sunglasses for kids. The build quality is very good. See the frame, the fiber finishing, everything is good for kids. Red color and grey color variant. See the glass, the build quality is the price is 39 rupees, only one price. I get the two purchase, total price is 70 something, 74. The offer price now is something there 99 I think. Our delivery charge receive maybe 130 rupees. This is our sunglasses for kids. This is our paste. Like and subscribe my channel. Share this video. Anything have questions, please comment in the question below. Please. Okay guys. Okay, bye bye.